Welcome to another tutorial on MATLAB. In the last tutorial, we have seen the entire workflow that is being followed in the model-based development. In this tutorial, we will see what are the two different workflow that is being followed usually. So there are two types of code generation that is visible in MATLAB. So first, let's classify all the two categories. So once you have the model that is ready with you and it is all verified with the requirement document and it is also being tested in the mill testing, then we have two steps. We can follow two workflow. The first part is generating directly the C or C++ code from the model. Once the C or C++ code is being developed, then it will go for the SIL verification or SIL testing. And once it is being verified, then it will be implemented directly in a hardware platform, and that will be running directly on the hardware platform. The another workflow that we have is testing the software, like the generated software from the model, the code from the model inside a MEX file or a S-function. This workflow enables us to verify the code behavior in the MATLAB environment itself. So what will happen here, a .mex file will be generated, which is just mimicking the behavior of the C code that we usually generate from the model. But it is a complete package which you can run. Suppose you have the S function which contains the .mex file. The MEX file stands for executable file or MATLAB exe. So we can give the inputs as we are giving to our model. We can verify the behavior as we are getting the output from our MATLAB model and accept the MATLAB code or MATLAB model that we have, or the Simulink model we have. Here it will be the software. This way we can firstly verify the software with the required input and the output that we have already from the MATLAB model. And then once we have the confidence, like the software is behaving properly, then we can follow the workflow one to directly go and implement into a hardware. So this part 2 workflow helps us to increase the confidence, like how the software will be behaving in a software environment, like in the software format. So whatever the MEX file contains, it is the same C code but in a formatted way where MATLAB can execute the C codes and verify the software behavior. So that is the two workflow that are present in the code generation platform in MATLAB, and out of which the first part is the direct C code generation. But instead of going directly to the C code generation, we can verify our C code in the form of a MEX file which will be generated and can be tested in MATLAB environment. And then once we have all the confidence, like it is behaving properly, then in that case we can directly go for the part 1 workflow and implement it into a hardware which will be acting or operating in a real field environment. In case you are liking our channel, please consider subscribing. In case you have any comment or query, please leave it in the comment box so that we can improve your experience of learning MATLAB in this channel. In the next tutorial, we will see a V model, like what actually a V model is and what are the different stages and where we are coming to this stage in the V model, so that it will give us a complete clarity, like what basically is being done in the entire model based development process, so that we will be knowing like in which stage we are operating. So stay updated to the channel.